So in this Questrade tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to buy Netflix stock, ticker symbol NFLX in Canada using Questrade. Once Questrade is opened up, either go to the top right, press on search, or the bottom left here and press on buy/sell. Either one will work. As I mentioned before, type in ticker symbol NFLX or just type in Netflix here in the search bar. At the top, that's one that you're looking for. Once that is done, go to the bottom, press on buy, which is the green button. Either type in the amount of quantity you're looking for the stock or the dollar amounts. And once that is done, press the green next button and proceed that way. So that's pretty straightforward, but that is how to buy Netflix stock, ticker symbol NFLX in Canada using using Questrade. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.